on my fellow explorers. Welcome back to CityTourInsight, your go-to source for discovering the world's most captivating destinations. Today, we're embarking on a virtual odyssey into the enchanting land of 1,000 lakes, saunas, northern lights, Finland. Join me as we explore the best places to visit in Finland, where the beauty of nature harmonizes with rich cultural experiences. Finland, a country where every corner tells a story of resilience and serenity. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant rhythm of urban life, the tranquility of lakeside retreats, or the awe-inspiring magic of the northern lights, Finland has crafted an experience for every kind of traveler. So buckle up for this adventure as we unveil the top 5 places that deserve a spot on your Finnish travel itinerary. Let's immerse ourselves in the wonders that await in this captivating land of contrasts and harmony. Number 1, Helsinki. Her journey comments is, in the vibrant capital, Helsinki, the seaside city known for its modern architecture, design scene, and maritime charm, is a perfect introduction to Finnish culture. Wander through the design district, a haven for design enthusiasts. Showcasing the best of Finnish creativity, explore the historic Senate Square dominated by the majestic Helsinki Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece that stands as a symbol of the city's rich history. Don't forget to hop on a ferry to Suomenlinna, UNESCO World Heritage Site, and immerse yourself in its maritime fortress history, where the echoes of past battles resonate against the backdrop of the Baltic Sea. No visit to Finland is complete without experiencing a traditional sauna. Helsinki offers a range of public saunas where you can relax and unwind as the Finns do, embracing the therapeutic heat and the cultural significance of this age-old tradition. Helsinki, with its blend of urban sophistication and coastal beauty, sets the perfect tone for your Finnish adventure, leaving you enchanted with the city's dynamic spirit and welcoming atmosphere. Number 2, Rovaniemi. Now, let's head north to the Arctic Circle and delve deeper into the enchanting city of Rovaniemi, known as the official hometown of Santa Claus. Rovaniemi is a year-round wonderland that captivates visitors with its unique blend of magic and Arctic allure. Embark on a journey to the iconic Santa Claus Village, where the spirit of Christmas resides throughout the year. Here, you can not only meet Santa himself, but also cross the magical Arctic Circle line, marking a moment of whimsical significance. In the winter, the skies come alive with the mesmerizing dance of the northern lights, painting the Arctic canvas with vibrant hues. Conversely, the summer brings the enchanting phenomenon of the midnight sun, bathing the landscape in perpetual daylight. Rovaniemi, embraced by pristine wilderness, offers more than just a destination. It's an immersive Arctic experience. Engage in heart-pounding activities like husky sledding, where the eager dogs lead you through the snow-covered landscapes, or embark on serene reindeer safaris, forging a connection with the traditional Arctic way of life. Rovaniemi promises to etch indelible memories, ensuring that your Arctic adventure is nothing short of unforgettable. Number 3, Lakeland. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the tranquility of Lakeland, a region celebrated for its picturesque landscapes, pristine lakes, and enchanting lakeside cottages. With over 1,000 lakes, Lakeland stands as the epitome of Finnish serenity, inviting visitors into a realm where nature takes center stage. Embark on a leisurely boat ride across the expansive Lake Saimaa, the largest lake in Finland, surrounded by verdant greenery and rugged shores that tell tales of centuries gone by. Delve into the authentic Finnish mökki's life by staying in a traditional lakeside cottage where the essence of the Finnish retreat unfolds amidst the serene surroundings. For those seeking adventure, Lakeland presents a playground of possibilities. Engage in kayaking, fishing, or hiking, with each activity providing an intimate connection with the natural wonders that define this region. As the day unfolds, unwind in a lakeside sauna, where the gentle sounds of nature serenade you into a state of complete relaxation. Lakeland serves as a haven for those yearning for a retreat into the heart of Finnish nature, a sanctuary where time seems to stand still and every lake whispers its unique story. Number 4, Turku. And heading to the southwest, we arrive in Turku, a city that not only boasts a rich history, but also serves as the gateway to the stunning Turku Archipelago. Turku, with its medieval charm, is a treasure trove of Finnish heritage. Explore the imposing Turku Castle, symbol of the city's historical significance, where the walls whisper tales of centuries gone by. Take a leisurely stroll along the Ori River, where historic buildings, lively cafes, and vibrant markets line the waterfront, creating a picturesque scene. Turku acts as the perfect launchpad for exploring the Turku Archipelago. an intricate web of over 20,000 islands, each possessing its own unique character. Embark on island hopping adventures, whether by boat or kayak, immersing yourself in the tranquility of archipelago life. Turku and its archipelago showcase a harmonious blend of history, maritime beauty, and island serenity, making it an essential destination for those seeking a diverse Finnish experience. Number 5, Tampere. Lastly, our journey unfolds in Tampere, a city seamlessly intertwining industrial heritage with the embrace of natural beauty. Cradled between two serene lakes, Tampere beckons to outdoor enthusiasts and history buffs alike, offering a harmonious blend of past and present. Explore the Vaporicky Museum, nestled in an old factory complex, a treasure trove that delves into Finnish culture, technology, and history. Ascend Nasanojala Tower for sweeping panoramic views, where the city's charm unfolds against the backdrop of its tranquil lakes. Tampere's surroundings are adorned with lush forests and winding hiking trails, inviting you to escape into the soothing embrace of nature. Bask in the lakeside tranquility, partake in a leisurely picnic in Pionikki Park, and immerse yourself in the serene ambience that characterizes Tampere. The city's industrial legacy harmonizes effortlessly with its natural allure, creating a distinctive atmosphere that vividly showcases the multifaceted essence of Finnish life. And there you have it, fellow travelers. The best places to visit in Finland, a country that unfolds its treasures across urban metropolises, Arctic wonder, serene lakescapes, archipelago adventures, and an industrial nature fusion. From the lively streets of Helsinki to the magical aura of Rovaniemi, the tranquil beauty of Lakeland, the archipelago charms of Turku, and the harmonious blend of industry and nature in Tampere, Finland beckons you to explore its diverse landscapes and immerse yourself in its rich cultural tapestry. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear about your favorite Finnish destinations, or if you've had the pleasure of visiting any of these incredible places. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more city tour insights from around the world. Until our next adventure, happy travels.